Hello everybody. Today we got a little bit different of a United States Mint unboxing for you. This is not something I just bought from the US Mint. I bought this box here from a customer today, and before I break it open and start parting it out to other customers, I figured maybe some of you guys haven't seen this before and it might be of interest. What this is a box of Silver Eagles from the year 2012, and it's still sealed. You've got the West Point Mint straps here sealing it. Inside of here should be 25 rolls of Silver Eagles, each containing 20 coins. That's 500 Silver Eagles total. And these boxes usually trade for a little bit of a premium when they're still sealed because, you know, no one's gone through the coins and cherry picked out, you know, super high grade ones, the perfect ones, or any potential mint errors. But like I said, I've already sold a few of these rolls to another customer. So I need to break this open, and I figured maybe you would like to check them out with me. So let's get in here and see what these look like. The box is really heavy, 500 ounces of silver inside, and barely fits under my camera here on my desk, but we'll try our best. And right there, just cutting those West Point Mint straps took a couple $100 off the value of this box. But let's get inside and check it out. We got the lid here, we'll take that off. Inside, there's another lid that holds the coins. That's in there a little tighter. Let's get that out of there. I'm trying to do this while I'm sitting down, and that's not going to work. It's in there good. Stand up here. Sorry about that. There we go. And there we go. There are just rolls of Silver Eagles. Again, let's get these mint straps out of the way. And there we go. Got 12, 12, and 1. That's 25. Let's see if we can get into one of these and see what kind of quality the coins are. And there you go. You guys can see here. You guys might buy rolls of Silver Eagles sometimes from bullion dealers, and they'll be sealed. They'll have tape over the top of them. The US Mint does not ship them that way. That's always done afterwards by other bullion purchasers and bullion sellers. But there we go, fresh out of a roll. Beautiful 2012 American Silver Eagle. And there should be 500 of them in this box. Looks great. Anyway, that's what a monster box looks like. And we'll put that back in the spot. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, these are really popular, easy to stack up, really heavy, sort of expensive with the premiums right now. But if you're going to buy in bulk, this is the way to do it. Glad I was able to get this from one customer. And like I said, several of these are already spoken for, so I got to get those out today. I just wanted you guys to be able to see what a monster box looks like, in case you haven't seen them before. And there you have it. Let me know what you think. Do you guys collect Silver Eagles? Do you guys buy them by the roll? Do you guys like to buy one of each date? How do you guys collect them? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and we'll see you around YouTube.